Tired of your iPhone suppressing background noise in your videos? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to turn off the audio zoom feature for videos on iPhone. Now let's get started. To turn off audio zoom on iPhone, first ensure your device has been updated to the newest available version of iOS, as this is a new feature. Then open your settings and scroll down to select Camera. Tap Record Sound. At the bottom, tap the switch labeled Audio Zoom to turn this feature off. This will stop your iPhone from suppressing background noise when filming videos. That's all it takes to turn off audio zoom on iPhone. Want to optimize your iPhone's performance? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.